Let's make a trading bot using Grok AI and TradingView. So first we have to give it a prompt, some kind of a strategy. This is what I wrote. In PineScript version 5, create a trading strategy. When a stock is below the 800-day moving average, send a buy order, take profit 5%, use 100 shares per trade. So I want to make a very simple strategy. I want to not over trade. So I'm going to use the 800-day moving average. It's a little bit more value investy, and I want to trade quickly. I don't want to hold it for a long time for the purpose of this video. So take profit between 1 and 5%. I chose 5%. So I ran it and Grok gave me an answer, and I'm just going to copy this and paste it into TradingView. So I'm just going to click copy contents. Here we have TradingView, and I'm just going to use Nvidia for this example. What we need to do is click down here where it says open panel, Pine editor. It says open Pine editor. And then I'm just going to create a new strategy, and I'm going to paste it, add to chart, and there we go. So as you can see, it tells me there was 22 trades. They were all profitable, which makes sense because I'm only firing trades when it's super conservative. And if you look, these are all the trades the strategy took. Now this one didn't have any bugs, but if there is a bug, you just copy the bug and you put it into back to Grok, and it'll fix it for you. You just say fix it, and you do that as many times until it corrects the error. So I could go in here and change the profit target. I could change the moving average once I have my code and it's working. And you could connect this to a brokerage account and actually use this as a strategy. I would still recommend that you watch the orders and you make sure that the orders are as you expect, but you could see how AI could make a trading strategy for you really easily, and you can run it through TradingView. Let me know what strategy you want me to test or create, and I can do that for the next video. Cheers.